A whopping 94.5 lakh crore rupees of investor wealth has been wiped out since last year's September highs in the markets. It's the mid-cap and small-cap stocks that are bleeding the most. Is it the effect of the Trump tariff threat, or is a weakening rupee spooking investors? Why are foreign investors pulling away from the Indian markets, and how long will this nightmare last? In just a moment from now, three of India's best-known investors will be joining us on the news track to share their thoughts and perspective on why we are at where we are and how long it is before the markets start bouncing back. But before that, let me take you through all that's been happening today and over the past several weeks.
There is a palpable nervousness on Dalal Street. The bulls seem to have lost their mojo, and it is the bears who are dominating the Indian stock markets. The Sensex, which was seen hitting the 1 lakh mark by the end of 2024, has slipped 15% since touching its lifetime highs in September. The broader-based Nifty 50 is down 16%. In the process, a whopping 94.5 lakh crore rupees of investor wealth has been wiped out. The worst hit have been the stocks of smaller companies, with the Nifty Mid-Cap 100 down 21% since hitting records high in September. The Nifty Small Cap 100 index has fared even worse, down 25% from its highs. One of the top fund managers, in fact, had this to say about investing in SIPs and small ticket stocks.
So I believe that investors who have started SIPs from 2023 in small and mid cap, they're going to have a very bad experience. Is this a time to take out money from small and mid cap? We think it is a clear time to take out lock, stock and barrel from small and mid cap.
It is not just the small and medium-sized players who are deep in the red. The big boys of the Indian industry, be it the Ambani, the Adanis or the Tatas, are all facing the brunt. The flagship companies of the three groups are fighting a losing battle against sellers. Reliance Industries has lost 5,89,000 crore rupees in value in the past 6 months. Adani Enterprises is down 1.75 lakh crore rupees. And the mid-cap of Tata flagship TCS is down 3.92 lakh crore rupees from its record highs. So what are the reasons? China is again in favor with foreign investors after its $1.4 trillion stimulus package. This has fueled the Sell India Buy China trade, with FPIs pulling out nearly $13 billion from Indian equities in 2025. Weak corporate earnings and an economic slowdown in the July to September quarter also contributed to the sentiment. Other reasons include global geopolitical uncertainties triggered by Trump tariffs and other factors, the fiscal caution in Budget 2025, and a feeling that Indian stocks are overvalued. What has emerged as a silver lining in the market is the participation of domestic investors who managed to counter the foreign sell-off in part. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.